Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to walk through this 2025 220 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. As you can see, the hull colors in the glacier green. You have the white rub rail, stainless steel insert, sharp looking boat, perfect sandbar boat, perfect fishing boat. On the back here, you have a Mercury 250 white outboard. Bow ladder back here. Let's take a look inside. Here you have plenty of casting deck. You have rod holders and cup holders. You also have jump seats when you have more people on the boat. And then you can hide them away and use it as a casting deck. You have rocket launchers here and on the hardtop. You have some utensil storage here and a live well, along with some cup holders. Moving forward, nice massive helm seat, flip up bolsters, digital binnacle, rocker switches, big 12-inch Simrad, Mercury vessel view, equipped with a VHF and a lockable storage for your wallet. You also have a phone charger here and a compass. Moving forward, you do have battery storage here if you'd like to do a trolling motor and a pump out head. Here's the hangout spot of the boat. You have a nice big coffin box lounge with plenty of storage inside. You can throw all your goodies in there. Keep them out of the way. You have bow seating, pre-plumbed for a trolling motor, fish box underneath, and then anchor storage here. One of my favorite boats. Awesome, awesome boat. If you want to check this boat out, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.